Today we're going to do a technical video showing you how to change your flue from a left to a right hand on the Rizzoli ML80 series, or actually just changing the flue location, not necessarily from a left to the right. It'll be the same either way. Essentially, this is your damper control located at the top that controls the oven. When it is pushed in like this, it's going to be closed so that the heat is going to stay inside the firebox. It'll then flow down and circulate around the oven. When you have it pulled out, this is going to allow the heat to escape and exit your flue stack. So we're going to show you how to move this damper control here. So you can see this is for your oven control, and it opens and closes this flap. This needs to open and close on whatever side you're connecting the flue to. So this is set up as a right hand flue. We're going to do a left hand flue to line up with our chimney pipe over here, so we need to make this switch. Essentially, this rod needs to be disconnected. Over here there is a screw that's put into place to block this hole because you cannot leave this open. So this screw will have to be removed and effectively replaced over here to block the hole on this side. This should be approximately a 15 to a 20-minute job here. So to make the switch out for the rod, I had kind of shown this before. So the rod is kind of mortared in here. And you can see this. Now to switch out the door hinge, which typically the door hinge and the rod go hand in hand. If you're switching out what flue, typically the customer also wants to switch out what location the door opens. So keep in mind when doing this, you can see both of these bricks are mortared in. The door latch change is located behind this. So for this to be removed, you will have to chisel out this mortar, which it can be done. You basically just need a knife to kind of pop it out. You want to be careful though not to crack this brick in the process of doing that. And then when you reinstall it, the new brick will have to be mortared back into place. So it is a little bit bigger job. In the manual they suggest it being done by a professional, and that's just so you don't end up breaking these kind of bricks.